Now I'm gonna show you the bad injector that was causing misfire on a Dodge Challenger. Now I'm gonna use high spray volume. As you can see, it starts spraying and now it stopped. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna start it again. It's spraying and now it's not spraying anymore. Usually when it's cold, it keeps working for a little bit, and when it gets hot, it's not working anymore. Let's do like this. High speed test. As you can see, it starts spraying and it stops. This is a bad injector. Oh. And if I'm gonna check the resistance now, it's gonna be a bad resistance as well. As you can see here, the resistance, it's 0.5 ohms.